Hi, I'm Anna Olson, and I know we share something in common, and that is a love of warm chocolate chip cookies right from the oven. But before I get started, I want to take this opportunity to thank McDonald's Canada for partnering with me and sponsoring this video. They are right now launching these special heart-shaped cookies. They come in 3 different flavors, and I know you'll want to buy lots and share them with everybody you love, because a portion of the proceeds for each cookie goes to benefit Ronald McDonald House Charities. Does that sound like a delicious thing, Westley? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm here to introduce Westley and Wesley's mom, Kristina, both dear friends, and we're going to make my chocolate chip cookies. Except the reason we're here today is to show you how you can put a fun twist on your own. Are you ready to get baking, Wesley? Mm-hmm. All right, you know what it all starts with? What? The butter. I'm gonna have you stir this butter a little bit to soften it up, okay? So can I add the sugar while you're mixing this around? Yep. Because clearly you know what to do, right? Mm-hmm. Mix it in. Do you know how to crack an egg?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna trade, and you're gonna crack the egg right into the bowl while I mix. How does that sound? And then we're gonna have your mom, after we mix that in, you got it. Wee-hoo! You are an ace cracker! You have the power!
Those muscles.
Here, I'll take that for you. And now, do you want to hold on to the bowl, Kristina? I'll let you do, because you guys, I don't even need to be here, really.
Here we go.
Because I have some goodies to grab over here.
Okay,
no problem. Good. And yeah, how's that for some toppings?
Good.
Are there any toppings or fillings that jump out at you?
Gummy worms.
Gummy worms, here you go.
Okay.
This is definitely a treat. Yes. Do you need some chocolate so we can call them chocolate chip cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want the giant chips?
Yeah.
Yeah. I notice he looks to you. Yeah, is that okay?
Okay, I like some marshmallows.
I've heard that about you, that you like marshmallows.
Okay, get some of the gummy bears.
Did you see the sprinkles, Wesley?
Oh, he's already deep in the sprinkles.
Oh, well then there you go. It's way ahead.
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait to try mine. Mine's gonna go.
Oh, is this a contest?
Yeah.
Is it a pressure?
Excuse me now. I am just about to switch mine up now.
All right.
Okay, more
Well, you know, just a little while ago, I had the pleasure of baking cookies, actually hosting a bake-off. We had such a fun time at Ronald McDonald House. The kids, the parents, the guests did a wonderful job, and it was really hard to pick a winner. Are you ready to scoop out these cookies so we can get them in the oven? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, what happens when I scoop these?
Well, Anna's gonna teach us.
Okay, so actually if you hold it the other way, can I show you the first one?
Yeah.
Okay. If you turn it around so it's down, and then you pull it up the bowl, and then, oh, I got a worm. And then you just squeeze it like that, and it pops right out. Give that a try. Wow. I think that one's got a double worm.
I think that's a double worm cookie.
Ooh.
I wonder who's gonna get that one.
Woo!
Let's put it right.
Hey, this one, it looks like one here.
The last one's always the best. Have it right there. All set? Why don't you take one tray, Kristina? I'll take the other.
Sounds good.
And in 10 minutes, these will be ready. I think your cookies are ready. Are you all set, Wesley?
Yep, and they're
Now, I will tell you, the pan is very hot. You know, because you make these cookies with your mom, so you know not to touch
look at this one.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Look like the big roasted marshmallow.
I know. And look at, I think some of the gummy worms kind of turned into puddles here. They're oozing worminess. Have you
look at this one. It's huge.
That one's giant. That one's huge.
That's my biggest cookie I ever made.
It is. Yep, that is definitely the biggest.
Look how big this cookie is.
It's a monster. And look at it, it's even glued to the plate. So much sugar in there.
The candy's just adhering to the plate.
Yeah. I hope you've had fun, Wesley, Kristina.
Yeah, we've had a lot of fun. Thank you.
It's been a pleasure to be here. And don't forget, the recipe for these cookies are right below in the description. But don't worry, if you can't make your own, you can always go to your neighborhood McDonald's and buy a cookie. Buy a few, because a portion of the proceeds from the sale of that cookie goes to support Ronald McDonald House Charities. It's been a pleasure baking with you, Westley, Kristina. So much fun.
It was so fun to bake with you.
Cheers, Wesley.
It's always more fun to bake together, isn't it?